I really like this. I don't know. It's just different. So now it's gonna be cool because I'm gonna combine, I'm like incorporating this, and go ahead and use my lemons, my kiwi.
Loya Mendes asked what nail glue works best.
For the nails glue, do you mean for the
Crystal.
For crystals?
Or any charm.
We using condensed glue gels. Amanda's for okay. So what do I do?
Oh, to glue tips on.
Oh, to glue tips on the nail tip glue. We're using several different type.
Robinson asked, does your website have a tool that you are using?
Yes,
Yes.
all of them are online. So you just want to go our official website, which is link is pinned right there, and just look in the tool section. You see most of them there, and there's also a brush section for anything else that you might want. If you have any question, let us know.
It looks really cool though. I love the way it looks. So if you create something cool, fun like this, I would love to seeing it because it's so vibrant. It's perfect for summertime. I'm finding some color of my neons here, and I'm really obsessed with this because I'm so happy with its turnout. Hope you like it as well, you know. Like it's really cool though. Let me see if I can get this one in. It's so
Bonita.
it looks like I'm painting, but I'm not.
Bonita asked, Nancy, do you apply only the condensed glue gel or do you use like a building gel to cover the fruit?
No, I'm just using condensed glue gels. Just
we
the
do have the no white top coat.
The
right on top
condensed
of
glue
it.
gels and the no white top coat.
And after that, whenever they stick, you don't need to anything else.
Sue asked, what would you use to clean the brushes after using condensed gel?
You just need to using basically just literally need to using just your no wipe top coat or your base coat, whatever you have. You just need to get one drop of your no wipe top coat and just swirl your brush, saturate your brush on the gel top coat, and it will release pretty much all of your residues from your brush, and will clean your brush really nicely, and then wipe it off with a lint-free papers, or the paper towel doesn't have lint, and just put the cap on. That's all. You don't need to use any alcohol. You don't also need acetone. Anything is gonna ruin your brush. It's really summery though. I feel like I want to get smoothie, so it was totally off from our plan today because I have so entire different things that I was planning out. But hey, it's not bad, right? Hope you like this because we're planning to doing it like tomorrow, followed by orders like a different step. But then different products. But I did it today already. I really like that. We're gonna do the other one because it's so vibrant and it's so much fun to do this.
You know what? I'll go to the fruit buffet.
I don't think so. Do you think? What do you think you named this one?
This is so much fruit. Looks so cool.
I'm gonna edit more.
Edit said fruit cocktails.
Oh, there you go.
And the nail bar said fruit feast.
Oh, that's a good idea. I really like that.
Larva said Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti, I like that one.
Okay, great. So if you're happy with this, you can cure this for 60 seconds. It looks good. And it's covered completely your Whimsical as well. So it works both for 3D, flat back, and charm and chains. Alright, so I'm gonna cure this for...
Super Cute Bling Nail said Fruit Platter. S. Marie Nail said Fruit Burst.
That's good. We're gonna key it for 60 seconds. It's really cool though. It turned out great because I was planning to do in a different foil, but it turned out great because we got some cool with the flowers and the fruits, and then we'll do our next one will be butterfly, but a different kind of butterflies. Clammed nails who say really a fruit platter. I know, is this cool though? Nailed it by Sue. So I did, which is using condensed glue gels, and you're gonna apply all over the nails. If you're not sure like me, sometimes I did crystal placement, and I usually go a lot more than it just the spot that I want to place the crystal. So I'm applying all inside the nails, and make sure because they're so thick density, so you can blend it on the nails really nicely without worry about lumpy bumpy. And then you're gonna using a no wipe top coat and go on the top.
Anita said, I cleaned my top coat brush with alcohol after I put on condensed gel. Is that the right way?
So you apply condensed. Oh, just wipe it off. Just wipe it off and using a top coat. Hi, David. I know, right? Thanks so much for tuning in, darling. Hi, Bonnie. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm gonna using precision glue. I'm gonna checking all. I see any cracks and gap. I feel it because with the beads right here. Let me move this two nails. Especially if you're doing it for the clients with the cuticles right here, you want to make sure you checking all the cracks and gap between. And right here, my Whimsical is being filled really good with condensed glue gel because it was so thick density. And with the no wipe top coat, it blend right in, and it grabbed the base of the Whimsical fruit right here. So I'm gonna check, see any cracks.
Super Cute Bling Nail said, can you do a Memorial Day nail design?
We would love to, but we don't have it on the planet today. So maybe on tomorrow we can do something like that.
Loya Mendes asked, does the precision glue leave it lumpy?
No. Actually, it could. I would say it could, but that's why I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna using a precision the twin tip brush and blend our precision glue, because each time you're using just a little bit, each time you squeeze it out, you're gonna squeeze just a smaller amount, and then blend it nicely. So when you blend it, it's gonna really looks nice and flawless after you cure it. I would blend it first instead of just cure it right away. Right there. So it's really avoiding a lot of lumpy bumpy. It's make it really nice and flawless. Great. I'm so glad you're asking that question. Great question. Great. So now you're gonna key it for 60 seconds. Basically, just using the piece of papers and wipe off your brush. And wipe it off your brush. And put the cap on. With this, you're gonna make sure you close the red cap. I can't see it from far away. Got it. It's prevent from clogging and spilling alcohol. Oh, I should put watermelons. I have a piece of watermelons here.
Glam Edit Nails asks, what's the difference between Fusion and Blossom Gel?
Oh, the Fusion ink is base. Actually, the Fusion ink is base as the alcohol base, and Blossom Gel is the clear, just the clear gels, and it's spreading, helps spreading your gel painting or your gel polish to create the different like a marble look. So they're totally different. So the marble look you create from a blossom gel, which is you're gonna using any of the gel polish or a gel painting. And if you're using a fusioning, that's a fusioning is the alcohol base is already have the colors ready for you to using all of that. So there are two different, one is the gels and one is just alcohol base. So great. Okay, so we did